Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get brittle marble shard grounded. Grinding brittle marble into a fine powder presents unique challenges due to its delicate nature. We need a method that minimizes uncontrolled fracturing and maximizes uniform particle reduction. This specific approach ensures you can successfully process even the most fragile marble pieces, transforming them into a consistent, high-quality powder for various applications. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always don protective eyewear and a good quality dust mask to prevent inhalation of fine particles. Start by gently breaking down any larger marble shards into smaller, more manageable pieces, roughly 1/2 to 1 inch in size. This initial reduction makes the subsequent grinding process much more efficient and safer. Also, ensure your marble is thoroughly cleaned. The most effective method involves using a robust, unglazed ceramic mortar and pestle. Place a small batch, about 20 to 30 grams, into the mortar. Apply gentle, consistent circular pressure with the pestle, rather than heavy impacts, to abrade the marble. This controlled action prevents shattering and promotes uniform grinding. Regularly scrape down the sides of the mortar to reincorporate all particles, ensuring an even consistency. To achieve optimal fineness, pass your ground marble through a fine mesh sieve, ideally one with openings of 100 microns or less. This step ensures a consistently smooth powder, free from larger fragments. Any remaining coarse particles should be returned to the mortar for further grinding until they pass through the sieve. This finely ground marble powder is now ready for use in applications such as pigments, fillers, or even polishing compounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.